How to fix the site can't be reached error. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you some fix in order to fix this issue. So let's just dive right in with the video and get started. So we can immediately restart our device and our router. For that, we can hold the power button on our mobile device and look out for the restart option. Similarly, you can also restart your router and your modem, and that should also often fix the temporary network glitches. Apart from that, we can just go and look out for the Wi-Fi or the mobile data section from our quick settings panel, and you can try switching between those to determine if one network is blocking the site. You can check it out. Also, we can clear out the browser data. So for that, we can open up the browser and go to the three dot in the top, and once we have tapped on the three dot, go to settings, and within settings what we may do is go to the section for privacy and security and look out for delete browsing data, and there we can just go and delete the unnecessary data from here and tap on delete data and confirm it up. That should also do it. Also, disable the VPNs if there is any kind of VPN available. You can just go and disable it because VPNs can cause the connection issues. You can turn off any of the active VPN applications. And apart from that, you can reset your network settings as well. Go to your settings of your device, go to general management and look out for the reset option. And from here, look out for reset network settings and reset your network and confirm it up. And that should also work out for you. You may follow up this method, and usually these are the solutions you can follow up to fix the, issue of the site not being reached. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.